Welcome, ESL students. Can you tell time? You might be saying, of course, what a stupid question, Teacher Lisa. I can tell the time. But can you tell time like a native? Did you know there are alternative ways to say the time that some natives prefer? So, welcome everyone. I'm ESL Teacher Lisa. Let's get going. Before we continue this lesson, it's very important that you understand something basic. So we divide a clock into four parts. The first part is 15 minutes, the second part is 15 minutes, the third part is 15 minutes, and the fourth part is 15 minutes. We add that up, we get 60 minutes. So we can cut the clock in quarters or 25%. Why is this important? Well, I'm going to show you some times and alternative ways that natives say this, and it's based on how we actually divide the clock. Well, what do I mean? So here are some alternative ways that natives might say the time. So you could say 9:15, that's correct and completely okay to use, but some natives might actually just say a quarter after 9. Quarter after 9. Why? Because 15 minutes is a quarter of the clock and we're talking about after 9. What about the next one? 9:30. Completely okay to use, but some natives might say half past 9 because it's half of the clock. And we're talking about half of the hour after 9 or past 9. Next one, 9:45. We say that's a quarter, again, a quarter of the clock until 10 because it's before 10. So we say a quarter until 10, meaning until it's 10 o'clock. The next one, 9:50, also okay to say, or 10 to 10. 10 minutes until 10. So we can say 10 to 10 or 10 minutes until 10. I'll be interested to know if this is a new concept to you or I clarified some things for you. Let me know in the comments. Let's go to our quiz. Do you understand this concept? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. What time is it? You might hear 6:45 or how do you say it in the alternative ways that I taught you? A quarter till 7. A quarter until 7 or quarter till 7. Excuse me, what time is it? How do you say this time? 8:15? Sure, it's correct, but you might hear a quarter after 8. Hey, have you got the time? Sure, it's half past 11. Half past 11 or 11:30. Excuse me, I forgot my cell phone. What's the time? 12:45 or a quarter till 1 or quarter until 1. I'm sorry, I lost track of time. What time is it? 7:50 or 10 till 8 or 10 minutes until 8. 10 to 8 or 10 minutes until 8. Okay, it's the bonus round. What is the time? So we didn't cover this, but understanding or using the same concepts I just taught you, what's another way to say 3:40? If you said 20 minutes until 4, you'd be correct. 20 until 4 or 20 minutes until 4. Okay, here's an extra bonus. How do you say this time based on the concepts that you just learned? 2:20, that's correct to say, or 20 minutes after 2, 20 minutes after. Sometimes you might hear someone say 20 minutes after or a quarter after without saying the hour because that's assumed that you and the listener both know what hour we're talking about. So if you're at a business meeting and you know that the meeting ended at 4 o'clock and you ask the time, the person might say, oh, it's a quarter after because we all know that the meeting ended at 4 p.m. So we're talking about the 4 p.m. hour. So you might hear it even shortened even further, quarter after, 20 after, half past, without actually mentioning the hour. So hopefully you learned something. If this is a new concept to you, let me know in the chat. If not, or you have any experiences with telling the time, please let me know. See you in the next video.